Welcome to my creative space before, and now my creative space after. Welcome back to Jess4TV. It is your favorite cousin, Jess, and today I am back on your screen to show you guys how I have made over my office. I've been really feeling not so creative in this space. There's the vanity area, there's the filming area, there's also my office setup where I actually work my 9 to 5, and there's also my little workout area where I have my elliptical, my weights, and all that stuff. And everything is just blah. Blah blah blah. Like I can't get with it. So today we are going to jazz this thing up, and the first way to do that is to clear out the entire space and just start with a blank slate. So that's what we're doing. To be completely transparent with you guys, at this point I'm really not even sure of the vision or what I want to do with this setup as far as my office space, the filming space, my vanity, the workout area, and everything else that I do in this space. I really didn't know what I wanted to transform it into. So I just started. I just jumped in. I knew that I no longer wanted this stand, so I went ahead and took that down. It was kind of hard to do the decluttering process because I got a lot of shit down here, y'all. So everything that you see here is everything that came off of that stand that I no longer want. So all of this stuff needs a new home, which I haven't quite figured out yet. So until I find a new home for all this stuff, I'm going to start by going through these books and put them in a pile of what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to give away. So up next, I need to at least tackle this area where my desk is. I want to move my desk, but I'm really not sure with the feng shui of it all. Like I don't really want my back to the door or anything like that. So I really struggle with exactly where I wanted to put my desk. But for now, I definitely need to clean up underneath of it and vacuum, and also go through these drawers because there's a lot of stuff in there that just doesn't need to be in there. Because I'm often always in this area, I tend to vacuum it a lot, but these rugs tend to trap a lot of grime, dust, crumbs, just whatever, just tends to like really lay deep in them. So I really had to vacuum these really good to get everything up out of them. But I also really needed to just clean off my desk and give that a good wipe down as well, just because it's been a while since I've done that. So now that I gotten that area cleaned up, I tried to play around with the desk and the placement of it just to see what I liked, what I didn't like, what looked right, what didn't look right. I played around with a lot of different scenarios, but nothing really looked right, nothing stuck. So I just said forget it and put the desk back where it was in its original position. And yes, I am still trying to find a different location, a different home for all that stuff behind this desk, which serves as my vanity. But I decided to go ahead and take that apart, put it in the garage for spray painting later on in the day. So after placing my vanity parts of my desk in the garage, I decided to take a trip to Michael's, and I stumbled upon these IKEA dupes, and they are these wide storage drawers. So I just decided to go ahead and put those together just to see if I like it, just to see if all that stuff that you see laying on the floor, that you previously saw laying on the floor, would fit. So I actually ended up getting 2 of these new modular wide storage chests or drawers, and I really liked them, and I had so much fun, believe it or not, putting these together and just enjoying this mindless task because I like it. I like doing stuff like this. Give me a task rabbit. So all in all, once I got in my groove, it took me probably about 45 minutes to an hour to put this entire chest together. Comment down below if you guys like meaningless tasks like this as well. I don't know. Tasks like this really just feed my soul in a way. I really don't even know how to explain it. I really just genuinely like doing this type of stuff. And this is the completed drawer. This is one of the chests, and I played around with the placement, just seeing where I wanted it, and I ended up just deciding to put it on that long wall because I'll be putting them both side by side. And this is everything else that I have going on in this space. I still need to figure out a setup that is feasible to where everything is just not running together and just making me feel so cluttered. But in order to give my mind a break and try to figure all that out, I am just going to go in the garage and spray paint everything that I want in the space to be gold. Yeah, so I kind of went spray paint crazy. I was just finding random things to spray paint. I spray painted my Crocs, I spray painted my hair. Those weren't on purpose, but I found a lot of stuff to spray paint. I wanted everything to be gold. But if you haven't checked out my desk transformation where I spray painted my desk gold and also did my marble top, you should definitely go check out that video. While I wait for that stuff to dry, I decided to go back inside and figure out what to do with that clusterfuck that I left in there. So I basically decided to just tackle everything that was on the floor and try to put it all in those drawers. And it all fit so perfect. I decided to put my clothing rack in that corner. Everything had dried, so I put my vanity back in. And this is what we're working with this far. And I'm really happy with the setup, so we're just gonna keep going with it. We still don't have a vision, but we're gonna keep going. And now we've made even further progress. We've gotten all of my video and studio equipment out of the middle of the floor and into a corner somewhere hidden. And now this is what we're working with, and I really like it, y'all. It's still a work in progress. A lot of this stuff is still gonna change, so work with me. Keep watching. It's gonna get there. See, even more progress. And even beyond that, I decided to purchase a 5-tier shelf just because I felt like that setup on top of those 2 chests of drawers, it just needed something. And I feel like this is definitely going to add that something of whatever it is that I was looking for. Just watch and see. Another task that I absolutely loved doing and putting together. I wish I just bought more stuff to just put together. I'm gonna just go to IKEA and just buy a bunch of stuff and just put it together because it's fun. I really, really like this stuff, you guys. So So now that the shelf is complete, I'm going to take it over to the 2 chest of drawers and set it on top and just see how it looks. I don't really know where I was going with this or where this vision came from, but when I purchased this shelf, I just knew it was going to look right. And it looked bomb. And I am so happy with the setup. I'm still playing around with, the trinkets and the things that I placed in it and on it as far as my backdrop goes. But I'm really happy with it so far. And I think it turned out great. What do you think? All right, and we're almost done. I did add in a couple of things that I'm going to share with you guys in just a short, so just wait on it. But look at this. This is so exciting. And now, welcome to my new creative space. It's so cute, it's so dope. I'm so happy with how it came out, even without a clear vision or even knowing what I wanted to do with this space or turn it into. But before I get into this full tour and show you guys exactly what I did and share with you where I got some things from, I want to first share with you guys my Walmart beauty box. So for this quarter, I decided to splurge a little bit and I upgraded to the Beauty Space Edition box, which ran me $19.98. But we're going to open this baby up and see what she has in store. So you have the card that shows you exactly what's inside the box, and the first thing that I'm pulling out is this Beauty Space neoprene makeup bag. It feels really sturdy, it's got great quality, and I feel like it's definitely going to come in handy for travel and anything like that, and it seems like it can hold a lot, so I'm excited about this. Up next, we have this Grow Gorgeous Volume Leave-In Serum, which I actually can't wait to try. Number one, because I ran out of my leave-in, so it's always good to just try something new. And if I want to buy the full size, at least I'll know what it's about. Up next, we have this By Terry Hyaluronic Hydro Powder, and I haven't used any type of setting powder in a while, so maybe this will be added to my collection, and it's possible that I might go out and buy the full size, depending on how this one works. And y'all, don't come for my nails in the comments. Gia tried. She tried. Just don't come for my nails. Up next, we have this Babe Lash Essential Serum, and I'm really not sure exactly what this is about. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research and see what's the benefits of using it or if I even really need it. But thank you, Walmart Beauty. I appreciate you for, allowing me the opportunity to possibly see what this could be about. But I don't know. We're gonna see. Moving on, we have this Ike Sport Waterproof Mascara, which I am kind of excited about, specifically because, when you go to the club or you go to the party and you just be sweating it out and your mascara be running, don't nobody want that. So this should solve that problem, and I'm gonna let y'all know if it work or not. Up next, we have this Philip B Peppermint Avocado Shampoo, and I'm always down to try a new shampoo, so we shall see what this one is hitting for. Next, we have this Jasmine and Rose hand wash, which I actually need to put in my purse and just try it and see what it's about, especially because y'all know I have eczema on my hands, so I just want to see. And last but not least, we have this Patchology Get Dewy With It Sheet Face Mask. And I got a couple masks. Gia be using them. But I got a couple masks, so I'm going to add this to the collection. And that is it for this quarter's Walmart Beauty Box, the upgraded Beauty Space Edition. And I'm I'm happy with the majority of the products that came in this box, so I will be adding them to the collection. Definitely quite fond of that Beauty Space makeup bag, so yeah, I think it's worth it. All right, now on to the tour. Jess, we ready for the tour? All right, here you go. Okay, so first, I got this new ottoman, which also serves as hidden storage. I got it from Burlington, and I stuffed a bunch of bags, camera bags, book bags in that. I also went ahead and put my clothing rack in that corner, and beside that, I purchased these two Alex drawers from Facebook Marketplace. They were $30. It was a steal. I couldn't leave them. I placed my diplomas on top as well as some decor, and also on the clothing rack, I just have brand new things that, you know, when I have somewhere to go, I just come down here and look, because there's no need to go to the store to buy anything because I already have stuff with tags on it. So as with my desk, I decided to just leave my vanity in its original location, and I just put my filming stuff, my main cameras and microphones that I use, right in the middle of the floor, along with my backup laptop that I use when filming. So all of this stuff just still has its same home, just more so in the middle of the floor. So here's a more close-up look of the things that are currently living on that shelf and just in my backdrop in general. I think this looks really good when I'm filming, especially when I throw that pink light up on it. Go ahead and give this video a like if you've seen my most recent video where I use this setup with that light, so that I know that you watched that thing. And my lights just live here just so that they're easily accessible whenever I'm ready to film. So that is the studio / filming / beauty / vanity side of the room, and now on to my office and workout side. So everything over here is essentially the same. I just kind of swapped the elliptical, and then as far as my office side goes, I just put another bookshelf over there that was smaller and just more functional. And overall, I'm just really happy with the setup. Even without a vision, I think it really came together really nice, and I think it's just a great space for me to just go in and record and work and just do my thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a like and also subscribe, because why not? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.